Cooking restoration techniques.
A marble pillar that had been knocked out of a black hole took less than 2 hours to repair. Tell me, can you see the repair marks? In this 4-minute video, I will analyze the repair steps and tools and materials in detail.
Our new project was completed. But before it was accepted, a huge hole was knocked out of the marble pillar. Even after asking the manufacturer, we couldn't find the same batch of stone, so we couldn't replace it with a new one. What should I do?
Don't worry, we fixed the world. Before detailing the repair steps, let's take a look at the effect after repair in advance. Step 1. Pillar hole filling. This is a decorative pillar and does not play a load-bearing role. It is hollow inside. Because of this, surface marble can be easily damaged. So the first step is to fill the damaged black hole. In fact, what needs to be done in this step is the work of a mason, but most restorers do not bring cement and sand, so it is most convenient to use bricks, stones from the construction site combined with marble glue. Of course, getting back the original gravel blocks of the pillars will be one of the best filling materials. You know why? Please leave your comment. After the black hole base layer is filled, the surface needs to be filled. The difference from the previous step is that we need to add color to the marble glue to adjust the background color of the pillar. This can not only improve the efficiency of subsequent background color drawing, but also reduce the risk of fading. Step 2. Sanding. Due to the large area, the master used a pneumatic sander. It effectively improves efficiency, but requires good operating skills because the surface of the pillar is curved while the grinder is flat. If you're not sure, you can also use sandpaper wrapped sponge block. Of course, you must know that the sandpaper should be sanded in order from coarse to fine, usually 180, 240 for 100 grit, and finally 800 grit. Step 3. Base color and texture drawing. Use special pigments for ceramics, combined with toners, to create a color close to the dark background, and draw textures on top of the previously filled light color, referring to the surrounding texture patterns, to allow your strokes to naturally twist and vary in thickness. Once the base color dries, then spray a layer of fixative, which will keep the base color from being affected by subsequent colors you paint on. Then adjust the darker color of the main texture, and paint the main texture imitating the surrounding environment. Is not it simple? Yes, it's not complicated, especially if you have basic drawing skills. Step 4. Spray glaze for protection. The final step in the restoration of any damaged marble or tile must be to spray the surface with a hard glaze to protect the filling material and stabilize the color. However, I seem to have forgotten this step during the filming of this video, but I can't forget to remind you of this. What do you think of this result? Welcome to leave a message for discussion. This is Fix the World, about the techniques, tools and materials of marble, ceramics, wooden leather furniture. If you want to see more videos like this, please like, subscribe and light the bell.